Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start right now by running the Windows Update troubleshooter and applying any quick fixes it suggests. This catches common permission and service issues fast. Once done, make sure you have at least 10% free space on C, because updates need room to unpack. Next, run sfc/scano from an elevated command prompt to repair protected system files. This prevents corrupted components from blocking installs. These steps eliminate the usual simple causes and prepare the system for deeper repairs. Once SFC finishes, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health to repair the Windows image. This addresses damaged update payloads. Next, stop Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Cryptographic Services, then rename Software Distribution and Cacheroute 2 to force fresh caches. This removes corrupted download manifests. After that, run the standard reset commands to recreate update components and re-register DLLs. Make sure to perform these steps from an elevated prompt, and, if prompted, allow the system to finalize file changes before continuing. Reboot the PC, then immediately check for updates and install any available patches. Many fixes apply only after a restart. If Windows Update still shows error 0x800f0984, use the Windows Update Assistant or download the specific KB package from the Microsoft Update Catalog and install manually. Make sure drivers are current and perform a clean boot if installers collide with third-party software. If problems persist, perform an in-place repair upgrade to keep apps and files while replacing system components. This is the single most effective fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.